Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. I just got home from Walmart and I stocked up on a bunch of random stuff. But I also, while I was there, grabbed all of the stuff for the kids' Easter baskets. It is March 1st, but we just had a lot going on at the house and with our family, so I just wanted to make sure that I was able to put everything away, have it, then put it away. But I didn't have to worry about it when Easter comes. So I figured I would share with you our Walmart haul and what I got the kids for Easter. So I'm gonna pack everything, unpack everything, and give you a little haul, and then I'll show you everything I got for the kids. All right, so I got some more orange juice. We were all out of that. I got some of these little mac and cheese, like easy packs, just so that way if I'm not here, Kevin can cook dinner and just do these super easy. Austin eats a lot better than Leighton, so instead of making a whole thing of mac and cheese, he can just make those for her. I got 2 of my coffees. I used to get, and I hope this is good, but I used to get the Coffee Mate, like Natural Bliss coffee creamer, and they didn't have any of like that added junk in it. And this one does. Now it does, like the label is different, and this one does not. So I got this one to try. A couple of these quick little minute rices just to have on hand to make things simple. I usually make my own pasta sauce, but I just bought the Rao's because that's super easy to make. Some pizza sauce, 2 cans of corn, some protein shakes for me to have in the fridge. Some Easter eggs. We're going to do these with the kids, you know, not right now, but these were only like $2, and it's cheaper than buying real eggs because eggs are so expensive. 2 loaves of the Italian bread, some printer paper, and a boatload of snacks. These 2 things are for Leighton's showcase. She has like a dance showcase, and the parents like provide all the snacks and all the stuff, and they sell it, and then the kids get like money towards their competition fees or something. I don't know, but I signed up a little while ago and I got 2 chips, and I also have 2 cases of water downstairs in the garage. But these are just some easy snacks. I typically, as you guys know, buy like an individual bag of something and separate it myself, but we don't have time for that right now. So I've got Pringles, some Chex Mix, some Pop-Tart Bites, some little mini chocolate chip cookies, some graham crackers, and some peanut butter crackers. All right, so now that I pull it all out, it looks like a lot, but they each got pretty much everything the same thing. I got them each these erasable color pencils, each one of these sketch pads. They both love to draw. Got them each some bubbles, mini M&Ms, some Reese's Pieces, a Kinder Egg. I thought these were really cute. They love fidgets. And it's a sensory sushi fidget. I thought that was cute. I got them each these fidget cubes. Austin's is tie-dye. Leighton's is purple and pink. Let's see, I'll do Austin's stuff first. A little Among Us like surprise toy. Some Reese's peanut butter eggs. Some Peeps. A Russell Stover's chocolate bunny. That's a must in any Easter basket. This little, I just thought it was cute. He likes dinosaurs and stuff. It's kind of little for them, but I just thought it was something cute. You can build this little dinosaur, this little Peep stuffed animal, some Play-Doh and Play-Doh tools. And I got this Ultimate Sidewalk Chalk set. It was huge, so I got them, and they'll just share that. But Leighton got the same little bunny, but hers is tie-dye. She got this little you know, like unicorns and like a castle and all these cute little different Play-Doh sets, along with some more Play-Doh, Peeps, the chocolate bunny, the eggs. She got a little magic mixie thing, a unicorn egg, like this Austin's dinosaur one, and then all the same candy. Also in their Easter baskets, I get them bathing suits. So I got this one for Austin. I thought that was really cute, and it was only, it's not gonna focus, $9.98. So then I got him this blue one. It has all like the PlayStation controls on it, and that was $11.98. And then for Layton, I got her this little 2-piece. I thought it was really cute and really pretty. She's big into 2 pieces. I lasted 7 years, or 6 years, because she had one last year. But at least there's a little bit to it. My Alexa thought I was asking questions about mortgage rates. So I got her that one. This was $10.98. And this one, I loved this one. I thought it was so cute. I thought it was so pretty. The pattern and the color, very cute. And I figured she could wear the bottoms with that too. That also matched. And that was $10.98 as well. And then here's a bunch of other random stuff that was not with all the food and stuff. We needed some more Scotch tape. Layton needed some tights, so I just got those for her to have, black and white ones. We needed some sticky notes. Austin's going to be doing a book report or like a presentation, and he needs index cards. And I thought this was perfect because I figured he would lose all the index cards because he's 9. So this little book I thought was good so he can keep everything all together. I got him just a plain white t-shirt to go under like a dress shirt or anything like that. He has these pants in black, and he loves them. They're just like these athletic pants, and I was going to get them for him anyway, and they were on clearance for $3. So, and I also grabbed this cute pair of jeans for me, the Time and True. I thought these were really cute, and they were on sale for $5. So that is it for this video. Excuse my no makeup face. I just washed my face and kind of fixed my hair a little bit this morning, but I haven't really felt like doing hair or makeup or anything like that. So that is everything. I know I always share my like what I got my kids for Christmas, what I got them for Easter, birthdays, and all that kind of stuff. And I know a lot of you guys are here from that original video like a long time ago, and I always get the most subscribers around like Christmas time and all of that. So I wanted to make sure I had the stuff for my kids in case I wasn't able to get to the store or anything like that, and B, I wanted to make sure I filmed it to share all our ideas and what they are getting. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you are new, I would love for you to subscribe. I do lots of cleaning, organizing, motherhood, lifestyle videos. So thanks again, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.